Welcome to this tutorial on how to insert a circle in a PowerPoint presentation. In this guide you will learn how to add a circle shape to your slides in a few simple steps, ensuring that your presentation becomes more visually engaging. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Whether you start from your desktop shortcut or navigate through your operating system's menu, make sure the program is properly open so you can access all the available features and tools. Once PowerPoint is running, your next task is to locate the presentation you intend to work on. Open the file that contains the content you need to enhance, or create a new presentation if you are starting from scratch. Take a moment to verify that you have the correct slide open, as this will be the canvas where you will be inserting your circle. Ensuring that you have the right slide selected is important for organizing your design elements effectively. With your presentation visible on the screen, direct your attention to the toolbar located at the top of the PowerPoint window. In this toolbar, you will find the Insert tab. The Insert tab is essential for adding a variety of elements such as images, shapes, and text boxes to your slides. Click on the Insert tab to reveal an array of options that PowerPoint offers to customize and enhance your presentation. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for adding graphical elements that will make your content more engaging. After clicking the Insert tab, look for the option labeled Shape. The Shape tool provides a collection of graphical figures, including arrows, rectangles, lines, and circles. Selecting this option opens a gallery of various shapes, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your presentation's needs. When you click on Shape, a menu appears displaying these different options to tailor the aesthetics of your slide. Within the shape selection, search for a circular option. Typically, the circle shape is represented either by a circle icon or a similar rounded shape icon. When you locate the circle shape option, click on it to select it as the tool you will use to insert your circle. This step is at the heart of the tutorial, as it allows you to add an element that can serve multiple purposes such as highlighting, decoration, or even as part of a diagram. Once the circle shape has been selected, move your cursor to the slide where you want to place the circle. Click and drag to create the circle at the desired size and location. Adjust the dimensions if necessary by dragging the borders, ensuring that the circle fits perfectly within your design. By following these steps carefully, you now have successfully inserted a circle shape into your PowerPoint presentation. This process allows you to enhance your slides with graphical elements that can capture the attention of your audience. Enjoy experimenting with different sizes and colors for your circle to see how it can best complement your overall design.